And then this is straddle, open. Are you slipping? I got you. It's okay. Straddle, very good. Okay, come over here, Fatima. Now, come to the feet. And do you remember how we run, run, run? Run. Good job. Put your hands on the hands. And jump. Then open your feet. Good job. Good straddle. Are you ready to jump down and land on the blue? Jump and freeze. Jump. Oh, good try. Good try. Okay, come over to these screens. Look at this one. Fatima right here. Stand on here. Turn around. And turn high. Can you touch the sky? And touch the mat? Put your hands on the mat. Can you put your hands on the red mat? Put your hands on it. Put your hands on the red mat. Now look at your belly. Look down at your belly and roll like that. That was awesome. Good for you. Okay, now watch this one. Remember how we go? Doop, doop. Can you do that? Oh. Put your hands on the hands. And then jump your feet over. Jump over to this side. You did it! Hooray! We get to do the roll again. You ready to do the roll again? All right. What a great job. Can you lay it down on your back? Oh, that's going forward. We're going to go backwards on this one. We're going to lay down. Oh, Nelly. Remember, your hands are going to go here and here. Now lift your toes over your nose. Bring your toes up. Bring them over your nose. Oh, there you go. Stand up. Oh, that was awesome.
Oh, good job.
Very good job. Can you jump on the numbers? Jump. Look down at the numbers. Jump open. Jump together. Jump open. Jump together. Jump open. Jump together.